In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Miro for project management. By the end, you'll feel confident setting up a collaborative board, organizing your ideas, and keeping your team aligned from kickoff to delivery. Start by heading to Miro and signing up if you haven't already. Once you're in, create a new board. You can start from a blank canvas, but templates save time and provide structure. Choose Kanban if you want a simple flow of work, typically with columns like To Do, In Progress, and Done. Pick a roadmap if you need a time-based view to outline milestones across weeks or months. Go with a mind map when you're still exploring the problem space and want to branch out ideas from a central topic. Any of these can be customized later, so select the one that best matches where your project is today. Give your board a clear descriptive name. Include the project name and, if helpful, the team or date range. A good title makes it easier for collaborators to find the board and instantly understand its purpose. Now let's visualize and plan. Use sticky notes to brainstorm tasks, risks, decisions, or key objectives. Keep each note concise. One idea per sticky helps you move things around without confusion. Color code your notes so patterns are easy to spot. For example, you might use one color for tasks, another for risks, and a third for decisions. Consistent colors make the board scannable and help people understand priorities at a glance. Connect your ideas using shapes and lines. Boxes and circles can group related work, while arrows show the flow from one step to the next or highlight dependencies that must happen in order. Keep arrows pointing in a consistent direction to make sequences obvious. Use frames to highlight sections of the board. Think sprints, phases, or work streams. Frames also create a clean way to present your plan in a sequence without rearranging anything. When you're ready to collaborate, share the board and set permissions carefully. Invite team members and choose the right access level for each person. View only for stakeholders who just need to follow progress, comment access for reviewers who provide feedback, and edit access for the core team doing the work. This keeps the board open for collaboration while protecting key structures from accidental changes. That's it. You've signed up, created a board, named it clearly, visualized your plan with sticky notes, organized flow with shapes, arrows, and frames, and set up sharing and permissions so your team can work together smoothly.